This is a S2 Snow. It is a long pole Tactile switch. This switch is designed by K-Tex and manufactured by Taxi. It is priced at 66 cents per switch. For those who never heard of K-Tex before, they are one of the suppliers for keyboard peripherals and such based in Singapore. This S2 Snow is using HPA Milky on top housing, a wide bottom housing, a 63.5 grams double-staged gold-plated spring, and it comes factory lubed with an oil-based lubricant. It has 2mm pre-travel and 3mm off-throttle travel with a 55 grams actuation force and 63.5 grams bottom-out force. According to TR, their representative from K-Tex, I quote, S2 is a more of a fresh addition to the market and loosely a competitor to the Boba switches, end of quotes. And according to them, they are reviewing a V2 variant for this switch as we speak. And in addition, the V2 will have a better consistency on each switches. Apart from that, they will increase the amount of factory lubing on the V2, which will further improve the stock performance of the switch. And to accommodate for those who are too lazy to lube the switch, this is perfect for me. The V2 also will have their own K-Tex logo instead of a Taxi logo, which I have here on the V1. Enough of the geeky stuffs, let's hear how's it sound.